The Differential Gear Ratio Calculator helps you determine vehicle speed and wheel RPM based on your drivetrain specifications. Let's look at the 4 input fields. First, enter your differential gear ratio. This is the final drive ratio in your differential. Next, input your tire diameter in inches. Measure from the ground to the top of your tire. Third is the transmission ratio, which defaults to 1.0 for direct drive. Leave this at 1.0 if you're in top gear or have a direct drive transmission. Finally, enter your engine RPM, the current engine speed you want to calculate for. For our example, I'll use simple round numbers to demonstrate, setting differential gear ratio to 10, tire diameter to 10 inches. Keeping transmission ratio at the default 1.0 and engine RPM at 10. After clicking Calculate Speed and RPM, we get 3 key results. Vehicle speed shows 0.0 mph. With these extreme test values, the speed rounds to 0. Wheel RPM is 1 RPM. Your wheels turn once per minute with these inputs. Speed per 1000 RPM shows 3.0 mph, meaning for every 1000 engine RPM, you'd travel 3 miles per hour. This calculator is essential for gear selection and performance calculations. Find the link in the description below.